My name is Victor Huang, and I'm the director of the Vitiligo Clinic at UC Davis in Sacramento, California. Often, my expecting patients with vitiligo will come in with questions about patterns of vitiligo inheritance within families. And indeed, a lot of work has gone into trying to understand the genetic basis of vitiligo over the past several decades. 50 genes have been identified that confer some likelihood of developing vitiligo, in fact. And hearing this, sometimes these families express a concern about the likelihood that their children will develop the condition as well. A number of different studies have been done across different populations to answer this question, and they've all come up with remarkably similar numbers. In the general population, about 1% of people will have vitiligo. If you happen to have a mother, father, brother, or sister, a primary family member with vitiligo, the likelihood that you have vitiligo increases a little bit to 6%. Another way to say that is that there's a 94% chance that you won't have vitiligo, even if you have a mother, father, brother, or sister with vitiligo. If you take a more extreme case of identical twins, your likelihood of developing vitiligo is 23%. Again, the other way to say that is that you have a 77% chance of not having vitiligo, even if you have an identical twin with vitiligo. All of this demonstrates that while our genes are important and influence the likelihood of developing vitiligo, they are not the most important thing. At the end of the day, I try to remind my patients that it's really hard not to want to play the number game when you are thinking about the future for your children. But it's impossible for us to be able to predict which of the genes are going to end up being our children's greatest gifts and which ones will turn into their greatest weaknesses. All that we as parents can really be sure about is that we're going to be there to try to nurture their talents, and we're going to be there to try to support them through their challenges, and at the end of the day, that our kids will be loved. I hope that this information is helpful to all of those expecting parents out there, and signing off from Sacramento, until next time.